This is a Hotpoint first edition washing machine. It's a model number WM11P. I believe this one's working, so I went to look for the lint filter and couldn't find it on the front as usual. So I tipped it up, and right in underneath you've got this strange sump arrangement. So coming down from the tub, you've got this rubber drop chute with a hose clip and plug on the end, and some kind of a something inside it I can feel, like maybe a basket, and then it's got a bit of flexi rubber going over to the pump over here. So I'm going to open this up and see what's in here. So there is a window on the back that you could do this as well. It's a Phillips head screw. So push that hose clip up. We've got a lot of water there. And pull this plug out. So we've got some bits and bobs. There's a sticker in there as well. That's it. To replace it, push the hose clip back on. It's quite a smart arrangement, this. Not as easy to clean, obviously, as the more modern ones with the plug on the front, but does the job. So it's got a tab to line up there. Get a grip on it, and the rubber. And then the hose clip has to go on again. So let's have a look at what we found. We've got something that says MasterCard on it, so I'm presuming that's the corner of a cut credit card. A little plastic tube, some kind of a pin, clip, 2 buttons, and 25 pence, piece of metal, and a zip pull or something like that, and a sticker and some other bits and bobs. Fact, Triceratops means 3-horned face. There you go. One of the bizarre things you get in a washing machine. Thanks for watching. If this isn't the model of washing machine that you have with a stuck filter or isn't pumping out properly, check out my washing machine filters playlist. That's on Boots Owen channel. Like and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos, and all together, thanks for watching. See you later.